Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in the description. If you're looking for a compact desktop that doesn't take up much space but still handles everyday computing with ease, today's product might be exactly what you need. We're checking out the Kamrui AK1 Plus Mini PC, a tiny desktop powered by Intel's Celeron N5095 processor, equipped with 16 gigabytes of RAM, a 256 gigabyte solid-state drive, and support for dual 4K displays. But is this mini PC really worth buying? What do these specifications actually mean in real-world use? And why has this become such a popular choice for home offices, students, and business users? Let's find out. At the heart of the AK1 Plus is the Intel Celeron N5095, a quad-core processor with 4 threads that can boost up to 2.9 GHz. While this isn't designed for high-end gaming or professional video editing, it delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks like web browsing with multiple tabs, Microsoft Office, Google Docs, Zoom meetings, email, online learning, and media streaming. The processor is built on Intel's efficient architecture with a low 15-watt power draw, meaning it runs quietly while consuming very little electricity. One of the biggest highlights is the 16 gigabytes of LPDDR4 memory. Many budget mini PCs only include 8 gigabytes of RAM, but doubling that capacity makes a noticeable difference in multitasking. You can comfortably run several applications at once, switch between browser tabs, stream music in the background, and work on documents without constantly slowing the system down. Storage is handled by a 256 gigabyte SATA SSD, which dramatically improves responsiveness compared to a traditional hard drive. Windows boots in seconds, applications launch quickly, and file transfers feel much faster. If you eventually need more storage for photos, videos, or work files, the AK1 Plus also supports installing an additional 2.5-inch SATA SSD or HDD, making upgrades simple without replacing the original drive. For graphics, the mini PC uses Intel UHD graphics, which is perfect for everyday productivity and supports hardware-accelerated video playback. It easily handles 4K Ultra HD video streaming, making it suitable as a home theater PC for services like YouTube, Netflix, and other streaming platforms. While it isn't intended for demanding AAA gaming, it performs well with lightweight games and cloud gaming services. A feature many users appreciate is the ability to connect 2 4K monitors simultaneously using the dual HDMI outputs. Supporting resolutions up to 3840 by 2160 at 60 Hz. Dual display capability allows you to keep spreadsheets on one screen while attending video meetings on another, edit documents while referencing research, or simply enjoy a much larger workspace that boosts productivity. Despite its small size, connectivity is surprisingly complete. It includes dual HDMI ports, multiple USB 3.0 ports for fast accessories, additional USB 2.0 ports for peripherals like keyboards and mice, a Gigabit Ethernet connection for stable wired networking, built-in dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth for wireless headphones, speakers, keyboards, and other accessories. This flexibility means the AK1 Plus fits easily into both home and office environments without needing extra adapters. Its compact design is another major advantage. Measuring only a few inches across, the computer easily fits behind a monitor, on a bookshelf, or in a crowded workspace where a traditional desktop tower would be impractical. The low power consumption also means less heat generation and quieter operation, making it ideal for offices, libraries, classrooms, reception desks, or even digital signage installations. In everyday use, the AK1 Plus feels responsive for the tasks it was designed to handle. Boot times are quick, office applications open rapidly, web browsing remains smooth, video conferencing is stable, and 4K media playback is crisp and reliable. Whether you're working from home, attending online classes, managing business documents, or simply browsing the web and watching movies, the hardware delivers a dependable experience. So, is the Kamrui AK1 Plus Mini PC worth considering? If your priority is an affordable, compact desktop for productivity, entertainment, and everyday computing, the combination of the Intel Celeron N5095 processor, 16 gigabytes RAM, expandable storage, Dual 4K display support, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Gigabit Ethernet creates a well-rounded package. It offers the convenience of a full desktop computer while taking up only a fraction of the space, making it an excellent solution for home offices, students, business users, and anyone who values a clean, clutter-free setup. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in the description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.